Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here alkane compound is given with side chain aldehyde. You are heating and you have the product in the mass spectra. You have 58 in the mass spectra values and you have to find the final product with the data. Answer is simply a McLafferty rearrangement. It's a rearrangement reaction with unexpected product, the same aldehyde formation with alkene elimination. Let us go step by step. McLafferty rearrangement requires gamma hydrogen. So the structure should have gamma hydrogen. Basically the hydrogen transfer through 6-member intermediate. So you have to redraw for cyclization. So redraw the starting middle to the cyclic form, then the gamma hydrogen near to the oxygen. Oxygen electronegativity pull the hydrogen up and you have alkene formation. So you have alkene and alcohol on the same side formation. The enol group has 58 molecular weight. So it is our desired product. And if you redraw nicely, you have aldehyde. What is interesting here is you start from aldehyde, you end with aldehyde, but with 2 carbon less. Here the concept you have to learn here is McLafferty rearrangement. McLafferty rearrangement required gamma hydrogen. It converts aldehyde to aldehyde but with 2 carbon less. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.